Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the office building of EY in New York. And thanks for showing up at this team kickoff meeting on time. I would like to say hi to not only the employees of EY, but also our guys from IBM. I'm Zachary Wang, one of the assistants from EY Global IBM Alliance. It's my honor to be here and to do a short introduction of this team kickoff meeting to you guys. So first of all, please allow me to introduce something about our company, EY. EY is famous from its multinational professional service, and it's one of the big four accounting firms along with Deloitte, KPMG, and PwC. The headquarters of EY is located in London, England, the UK. As a multinational professional service firm, it primarily provides its clients with assurance, which includes financial audit, consulting, advisory, and tax service. Additionally, in recent years, EY has expanded into markets adjacent to technology, accounting, financial service consulting, HR, including strategy and operations. EY has been running a network of member firms which has more than 270,000 employees in about 700 offices in over 150 countries around the world. In 2019, EY became the seventh largest privately owned organization in the United States. The employees of EY are dedicated to helping their clients who are from startups to Fortune 500 companies. The work they do with the clients contains strong diversity and creativity. Mainly, EY helps companies and organizations fulfill their regulatory requirements and keep investors informed in order to meet their needs and wants. The needs and wants of all stakeholders. EY's philosophy is that no matter what its clients operate, EY will try its best to help its clients address their biggest challenges to make their business fit for the digital future. As I mentioned, it's so happy to welcome our guys from IBM. EY Global IBM Alliance has already made some success, and I'm confident that this time we will implement a successful project as well. In order to follow the development of technology and business innovation, EY has built great connections with companies and founded their alliance. Through their strategical relationships with technology, business, and industry leaders, they have provided professional service to many clients with leading and emerging technologies, such as AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and Internet of Things. For example, EY and our friend IBM, an American multinational information technology company, right, has been collaborating to help organizations compete and transform in order to deal with technology problems that they are facing, such as digital disruption. Now, I would like to switch to the most important thing about this project, the current project we will focus on. EY and IBM are collaborating to help organizations navigate the digital future. Related to the last part, although the new technologies inject some new elements into the different industries, some digital disruptions appeared as well during the process of revolutionizing business. In this case, our company, EY, decided to help organizations create and compete new values by promoting a cooperation with you guys from IBM. The core of this project is that helping a company or an organization reach a relatively higher levels of asset productivity and reliability in order to support a financial service firm to tackle their company's issues. Although EY has deep understandings and experience of business, we still need the help from you guys. The technical supports from IBM are still important to us. In this way, the project manager of EY invited the content producer and some engineerings from IBM to have today's team kickoff meeting in order to clarify the relevant issues of this project. As I mentioned, this is the core of this project, helping a company or organization reach a relatively higher levels of asset productivity and reliability in order to support a financial service firm to tackle their compliance issues. And this is our roles. I know different people will have detailed responsibilities, but I would like to show the general roles of EY and IBM here so that we could be clear about our general direction. Like EY, we would like to show our deep understandings and experience of business. But in order to deal with the problems in those units, we need to utilize some advanced technical tools or equipments such as data or something. I know this, as for this kind of things, you guys are experts. In this case, we believe IBM will provide us with your best technical supports, like what you are always doing. Now, please follow me to welcome all of our attendees and guys. So first of all, let's welcome Mr. David Padmos. He's EY Global Advisory Technology Leader and EY US West Advisory TMT Leader. Also, he is the project manager of this project. And he's knowledgeable about data risk management, advisory, project management, finance, especially tackle compliance issues. Thanks for coming, Mr. Padmos. Also, please follow me to welcome Mr. Rich Priest. He's the EY Global IBM Alliance GTM Leader, also the Global Advisory. He's knowledgeable at advisory, marketing, and project management. Thanks for coming. And then let's welcome our guest, Mr. Dan Chavrant. He's the content producer from IBM, and he has a lot of knowledge about data, digital marketing, software solutions. Finally, I would like to give special thanks to all of the engineers from EY and IBM. Thanks for coming today. Next, I would like to go through the agenda of this 3 hours meeting with you guys. So the first part from 10 a.m. to 10:15, I would like to give the introduction to you guys, and we're gonna switch to next part. It's an important introduction to this project, which will be delivered by Mr. David Padmos. And then Mr. Rich Priest will show some advisory ideas to us. Moreover, Mr. Dan Chavrant would like to show the tech information and operation of this project to us. Finally, I would like to give you guys some time to do the Q&A part and have some group discussion. Also, lunch and the reception part will be provided. I hope we will have a productive and efficient meeting. Again, welcome to EY.